Hello, I'm Thibaut Milan, and I'm the Innovation Director here at Smile Group. My role is to seek through the buzz and the noise to find new opportunities in new technology to unlock the potential for ourselves and for our clients. We come from a long way working with AI technology over the past few years, from the very first chatbot through the voice assistant era, whether they are for the general public or tailor-made to our customers' needs, and then the computer vision and all the application in data collection and analysis it has unlocked. That was probably at that point we felt AI will become a game changer systemically and for every industry. It truly was the beginning of a new era, in my opinion. We worked on truly amazing projects that changed the way people were using technology, making it more organic, more integrated into their life, and providing assistance in a more natural way. Then the generative model came. We were like everybody, blown away by the possibility while struggling to find solid use case from them. But while we were still exploring that way, large language model appeared, and it was the start of the revolution we are living through right now. Just as today, every appliance has microchip inside, I think every one of them will sooner or later use AI in some degrees. It will be the same silent revolution that will transform the way we are using everyday things, the way we are interacting with devices, and the way we are consuming information. Generative AI is a big leap of faith that company needs to embrace in terms of adoption of the technology, because it will be so transformative of the way we all work, but also the way we are doing our job with our clients. That's why we are happy today to announce that Smile is launching their first AI offers, focusing on consulting first, then implementation. Because such a transformation cannot see our client being thrown in the deep end, it's our responsibility to help them dive into this new ocean of possibility, to seize the potential of the technology, to finally put their massive amount of data into action, to see the transformation path they need to take.